afternoon, basketball fans, and good afternoon mga kasurog. Welcome sa ating second game ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte. Live na live pa rin dito sa Roy Memorial Stadium dito sa Jose Panganiban, Camarines Norte. Ako nga pala si Angelo Espinancilla, ang inyong play-by-play commentator, at kasama ko ang napakapoging coach. Coach, magpakilala ka.
Yes, good afternoon to each and everyone. I'm Coach Paul Sep, ang inyong magiging basketball analyst for this afternoon. So partner, this is a very exciting ball game. This Labo team coming from a win, an upset win actually, doon sa kanilang last outing against Kapalonga. And again, itong team Santa Elena is still struggling in this tournament, pero tingnan natin kung ano magiging adjustments nila dito coming into this game with that 0-2 team stand dito sa ating team standing.
Tama ka, Coach Paul. And with that, Santa Elena has secured the first point of the game by the likes of Hosol. But here go Raneses, the MVP on their last game, tying the ball game in 2.
Yes, partner, ito si Raneses talaga ang nagbuhat dito sa Team Labo during the fourth quarter of that game against Kapalonga to get the win. So titingnan natin kung ganun pa kaya ang mangyayari dito sa game na ito, partner.
And with that, jersey number 19 na si Abiera securing another points with a jumper for his team. Raneses, now the court general for his team. Quick pass to the left side. Thinking 3. Ito nga si Jose, but misses, which resulted to a turnover. Alright, yan, punong-puno, Coach Paul, ang ating court dito. At kung hindi naman makakapunta dito, ay live na live tayo sa FB pages ni Ako Bicol Online TV at Rep Saldico. Pwede rin sa YouTube, Ako Bicol Cup 2023. At ito na nga, what a 3 points by Olivera. Napakagandang simula ito para sa Santa Elena na naghahanap ng kanilang unang panalo.
Yes, partner. So, sa mga kakatune in pa lang po, Team Labo is donning the green jersey, and itong Santa Elena is in the purple jersey naman, mga kasurog. So, this is just the first quarter, no, for our doubleheader. This is the last game. So, lahat po ng gusto pa manood ng live na malapit dito sa Jose Panganiban, libre po ito, no? Wala pong bayad itong tournament natin. Kung gusto nyo manood ng live, punta lang po kayo dito, and pwede pa kayong humabol.
Tama na, may mga open spaces pa po dito sa Roy Padilla Memorial Stadium. And this is one of the best court that I've ever seen kasi it's by the sea. So napakagandang court, no? Sobrang mahangin at sobrang maganda ng view. Going back to the ball game, what a pass sana ni Hosol kay Malyapre, but it was intercepted by the Team Labo. Now they have 15 seconds to complete their play on this side of the court. Inbounding Del Rosario to Abiera. Abiera to Hosol with a quick jumper. No good. And a strong rebounds underneath by Bernal, showing that he's the king under the rim despite his build. Ito naman passes it to the side. Back to Raneses. Raneses with a no-look pass but intercepted. And ito naman, a costly mistake and a too strong pass by Abiera to Del Rosario. So mukhang nangangapa pa, Sir Paul, itong ating mga players in the first quarter.
Partner. So first quarter, kapaan pa tong dalawang team na to. And also, mabalik tayo, sinabi mo kanina si Bernal, isa din tong notable player dito sa Labo na ito. So maganda din ang pinakita niya doon sa last outing nila against nga doon sa Kapalonga. Now, Team Labo is pressuring down court, no? Itong Santa Elena naman is struggling so far inside the paint, partner.
Tama, and nakita natin na despite two giants, medyo nahirapan, but a breakaway pass with the Del Rosario Jr. and Malyapre connection hit them a score to edge a 2-point against Labo. Ito nga, gitgitan ang labanan. So Jose looking for revenge there. Pass it to Raneses. Raneses pinpointing to the side, and a 3-point attempt by Bonabon but misses. Sorry, that's Ochoa. Now Bernal with the ball. And the big man attacking. No good for Alanis' attempt to shoot. But Bernal is there under the rim. to control the rebound, both offensively and defensively. So napaka-strong, sabi mo nga Coach Paul, no? Si Bernal, grabe yung contribution niya for their first outing against Kapalonga. No, they edged the Kapalonga in the first few quarters and then eventually naiwanan sila up to 25 points and they made a strong comeback.
Yes, partner. So ito nga, Bernal will very a vital player dito sa Team Labo ngayong game na ito. But on the other hand, partner, we have on the guy on the middle is Eugene Malyapre for Santa Elena. Another steady, big guy dito sa ating tournament. Ito si Eugene Malyapre. So yan a jumper from that's number 10 of Santa Elena, Villamarzo. So that's a good indication, partner, na pumapasok ang kanilang mga outside shooting, no?
Tama, no? They attempted inside the paint, but this time they are mixing it. Now Bernal attacking against Malyapre, realizing that that's a very, very strong wall, decided to back down and pass it to the side. What a kuroko pass to Villamarzo by Del Rosario, but that was too strong to catch. So
grabe yung pasa na yun kung nakuha yun ni Villamarzo, partner. So that could have been an easy layup for them. But another notable player here for Santa Elena is ito nga si Tikboy Del Rosario, who played for Albay Leg and also I think also played for Kamsur Leg, if I'm not mistaken, partner.
Tama, and I think isa din si Malyapre, no, an
Yes.
import who has been the best import in Camarines Surleg. Let's see if they can contribute much to Santa Elena because they are facing, of course, no, one of the greatest team here in Cam Norte, the Team Labo.
Yes, partner. So hindi din basta-basta kasi itong mga players natin dito sa Cam Norte Leg, sabi nga natin, hand-pick and talagang magagaling itong mga players na to. And just like that, ayun na nga si Tikboy Del Rosario for another 2 points.
Tama. Del Rosario cleaning up the mess made by Villamarzo. Para connection there. Rañeses now with the ball. To the side. Kicks it up to Jose. To Ochoa. No good. And then once again, grabe ang sipag nitong isang Villamarzo. I think he's been running and gunning. No, siya yung Ice Shield 21 ng Team Santa Elena. Once he have the ball, he will try to run from coast to coast. Rañeses now. Lob pass to the big man Bernal but misses. Costly mistake, but Rañeses recovered his own mistake. Now Ochoa to Bernal. Bernal jumps using the board for 2.
So ito nga, medyo grabe yung kapaan ng both teams, no? Medyo feeling ko madulas yung bola para sa kanila eh. So, but as game progresses, magpipick up tong dalawang team na to, partner.
Tama, partner. And that, recognizing that the score is actually ballooning for Santa Elena, Team Labo called for a timeout. Thoughts on the first part, Sir Paul?
So yun nga, sabi nga natin, medyo kapaan pa sila, no? So, but in terms of defense, both teams is defending at 2-3 zone, partner. So, pero itong Team Labo, nakita natin a while ago, may pasundot-sundot sila ng kanilang trap. So, once they make a basket, talaga they are pressuring the ball dun pa lang sa baba. So, tingnan natin ang magiging adjustments nitong Team Santa Elena. And of course, coming from this time out, tingnan natin kung anong magagawin itong Team Labo.
Tama, no? And as we were talking a while ago, Sir Paul, no, mukhang match ang labanan na ito. Yeah, very exciting itong i-cover. And with that, Del Rosario, no, same surname with Tikboy, inbounding the ball to Ibis. Ibis to the side, no, to the newly entered Abanto. No, fresh players from the bench ang nandito sa Labo after the timeout. Except Bernal and the guy by the name of Alanis who made that three-pointer. No, good timeout on the side of Labo. Ito na Santa Elena. Del Rosario with a no-look pass inside. But guarded. Fadeaway shot by Abiera but misses. And Bernal securing the rebound against the team of Santa Elena and running like a wind there is Ibis. Using the precious minutes given to him by his coach. Now Abanto. Small but terrible guy attacking the paint and throw it to the air and it connects. Na-surprise ako doon, partner. But here is Malyapre with an easy revenge. Grabe tong isang Abanto. Walang takot.
Grabe na yung move na yun. Talaga inatake niya doon. Ito, depensa nitong Santa Elena. But hindi nila nakita to si Villapre na nasa baba, partner. So, easy 2 for him.
Tama, no? Good recognition din doon sa teammate ni Malyapre na nagpasa sa kanya. And it was intercepted this time by Team Santa Elena. And here you go, Ibis and Abanto attacking the Giant. Pushes, grabe ang puso nitong mga taga-Labo. There we go. Del Rosario with a behind-the-back pass to Olivera. But misses. Ibis now with the ball to Abanto. Abanto dribbling hard. And good defense there on the side of Santa Elena, stopping Del Rosario in his attack in the paint.
Yes, partner. Ito, they are not recognizing partner itong Team Labo kasi ito din si Malyapre. Talagang hindi yan magbabackdown. Pag inatake mo yan, talagang didepensahan kanya ng matindi.
And Olivera there showing his prowess in the ball movement. But Malyapre saying that easy 2 points lang ang kailangan natin. That's Malyapre for you. Abanto now dribbles and generating a play for his team. This small man can attack you, so be careful. Quick pass to Bernal. Bernal pump fakes against Malyapre. Malyapre failed to guard this big man na si Bernal, securing a 2 points for his team. Quick pass to the outside. Eurostep by Olivera but did not connect. And this time, Ibis against 2. Eurostep and throws the ball out of nowhere. So Del Rosario Tikboy secured the ball. Here we go. Slowing down the pace si Olivera. Looking for a pick but decided to pass and ask for help. And still, hindi kumonekta ang tira ni Abiera pero natawagan ng foul doon, no? For holding si Abanto if I'm not mistaken.
So again, partner, medyo nagiging careless sa bola itong mga taga Santa Elena. So they have to protect that ball. So ayun na naman, that's a miss from Olivera.
And a good recognition and a spin by Alanes but failed to create the shot. No, however, he will troop to the charity line for 2 throws.
Yes, partner. Also, one of the notable player dito sa Labo is Lyndon Alanis, who also played for Bato and Camarines or leg ng ating Bicol Cup. Si Lyndon, partner, pag talaga ito pumutok din sa 3 points, maaasahan mo to in the behind the arc. And
Tama.
also yung kanyang rebounding din. So titingnan natin kung ano magiging adjustments nitong Team Santa Elena dito sa mga players na ito in the likes of Alanis and also Ranieses.
Tama. And indeed, no, these players are high caliber players. No, these are the top-notch players in each municipality and even no from the different parts of the country. And with that, no, we are seeing a seesaw of score with Tikboy Del Rosario attacking but rejected by Bernal. Ibis now attacking. Decided to pass to Bernal. Bernal against his opponent na si Ochoa. Si Bonabon. No, but he will troop to the line because he was hacked. No? So Bernal is in the line. Shout out ko muna ang aking kaibigan na si Waliana Villaralvo. No, happy viewing po sa iyo from Kamsur. Nice watching. Shout out na din natin ang ating mga bossing na nakaka-birthday lang, si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera, ang kanyang kapatid na si Sir Ino Rivera. And of course, no, this game will not be possible without Ako Bicol Party List at sa pangunguna yan, of course, ni Congressman Saldico. Shout out na din natin ang ating mga lodis when it comes to casting and commentating the sports, no, na si Sir John Bachiller and si Sir Alex. No, happy viewing po kung nanonood man po kayo. And with that, Tikboy Del Rosario passing it to Olivera. And the big man, Malyapre, attacks! But misses. This time, Abiera cleaning up the mess. Mukhang na-return niya yung favor kanina ni Malyapre for cleaning up his mess. So they are even now. Now, Abanto being the court general for his team. Pass it to Alanes. Abanto fires from downtown. Misses. And a big rebound there by Abiera. Abiera running, attacking the paint against 3. Pero natawagan.
Ito, partner, si Abiera talagang quality minutes din ang binibigay nito for Santa Elena. So This is a big guy who have a soft touch sa perimeter. So tingnan mo naman ang nangyayari, partner. Halos, if I'm mistaken, nakatatlo na siya dyan sa perimeter na yan. So good thing for Santa Elena na nagko-connecta ang kanilang mga perimeter shots.
Tama, good observation, Coach Paul. And with 26.5 seconds remaining, Santa Elena has the opportunity to tie the score before the first quarter ends. So tingnan natin if Labo will allow Santa Elena to close the gap, or will Labo use the final seconds in their favor. So tingnan natin as Santa Elena has secured both 2 points, and kudos to Olivera for securing that. We're tied in 22 in the very first quarter of this very exciting matchup live here in Jose Panganiban, Cam Norte. Bernal passing it to the inside with the two Giants defending. Napakagandang tira ng isang maliit na si Ibis, securing the points and one. Yan, shout out of course sa aking idolo na si Kuya Angelo C. Vargas at sa aking ma'am na si Jinky. Ma'am Jinky, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. Napakagandang laro po. Mapapanood po tayo ng live sa Ako Bicol Online TV at Rep Saldico. With 17.1 seconds remaining time, shot clock is off. Santa Elena has an opportunity to cut the lead. Bonabon with 10 seconds remaining. And eto na si Olivera attacking the paint. No good, but the foul was called. Grabe. Grabe gitgitan, Coach Paul, ang labanan ng Labo at Santa Elena.
Yes, partner. So this is a seesaw battle between these two teams. Talagang sabi nga natin kanina, talagang makikita nyo na match itong dalawang team na ito. So ngayon, first quarter pa lang. So talagang wala nag-give up sa kanila. Titingnan natin itong mga players nito. Itong mga maliliit na players dito ng mga guards itong dalawang team na is talagang napaka hardworking. So napakagandang tingnan, partner, itong larong ito.
Must watch. Ibis now with 5 seconds on the clock. Almost loses the ball but recovered to Alanis from long range. Hits the rim but not the basket. And that's the end of the first quarter, mga kasurog. Napakagandang laro between Labo and Santa Elena. Labo taking a 1-point advantage against Santa Elena. Ano kaya yung maging adjustments ng both teams, Coach Paul?
So yun nga, partner, kanina turnover after turnover itong dalawang team nito kasi nga sabi nga natin medyo nagkakakapaan pa. Talagang gusto nila to take that basketball hard to the basket lagi. Basta nakukuha nila yan. Pero sabi ko nga, this is just the first half. Lagi dapat they should stick to their system kung ano man ang plan nila for this game. Yun ang gawin nila kasi mahihirapan sila niyan when it comes to the end game kasi kung hindi nila masyadong nababalanse, like for example their rotation and also yung kanilang gustong gawin dito sa or game plan nila sa larong ito. So for me, as much as possible, stay composed, play the system that you are that you want to implement. So yun lang dapat na nilang gawin.
Tama, and I think, sabi mga Coach Paul, they have to maintain what they have been doing already because they've doing great so far. So tingnan natin yung statistics for the first quarter. On my hand is the team of Santa Elena with Malyapre scoring 6 points with 1 rebound and 1 assist, and Brena with 6 points, 2 rebounds, and 2 steals.
Okay naman, sa kabila naman, we have Bermal, partner, with 8 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal, and 1 block. And ito si Ibis, partner, with 5 points, 2 rebounds, and 1 steal.
Tama, and then in the opening of the second quarter, Abiera scoring 2 points for his team to take away the lead from Labo. But now, Alanes passing it to the other side to Ranieses. Ranieses flies and shoots for 3!
Yun na yung sinasabi natin, partner. This Ranieses guy talagang dapat nilang bantayan to and beyond the arc kasi talagang bigla itong pull up, partner.
Tama, it reminds me of the 3 guards of Naga City by the name of Almario and sino ba yun? Yung 3-pointer from UNC.
Si Bang Sablaon, partner.
Sablaon and the other one, Itong Ranieses. Ranieses once again attacking, shoots, pass it to the side. But Del Rosario was there with a good hustle. Pass it to Malyapre. Malyapre attacking the paint. Eurostep, shoots, and the basket counts. Jose has his first personal foul there. Napakagandang atake ang ginawa ni Malyapre, recognizing that there's a mismatch in terms of height.
Yes, partner. So talaga ito, maaasahan mo talaga to si Eugene Malyapre when it comes to mga situations like that, partner. Talagang iti-take advantage niya yan, yung mga bagay na yan.
Tama. And with that, Malyapre will troop to the line to gain a 3-point play opportunity. So tignan natin if mako-convert na itong isang libreng free throw na ininawad sa kanya. Pero hindi. Barilla securing the ball. Pass it to Jose. Jose dribbling with his left hand. Sang southpaw. Pinasa sa gitna. And back to the fresh player na si Macaro. Macaro loses the ball. Cañeses securing the rebound for his team but was intercepted. And Malyapre again is here on an open spot but Abiera's pass was intercepted by Jose. Good defense there on the side of Team Labo.
Oo, partner. Medyo late kasi yung pasa ni Abiera. Dapat unang tingin niya pa lang, pakakita niya kay Malyapre, binitawan niya na yung bola na yan.
And with that, Del Rosario, si Tikboy, shooting 3 points from the corner.
Ito, isa din to si Tikboy Del Rosario. Napaka-deadly din sa beyond the arc. So, kailangan din mag-adjust dyan ang Team Labo, partner.
Tama. And kitang-kita man na natin na nothing but net yung ginawa niyang 3-point. And with that, Malyapre to Del Rosario and an easy 2 points for Josol. Ito yung hindi na anticipate ng Team Labo. Several breakaway pass ang nangyayari with an easy 2 points. Nag-struggle sila. Pero easily nakakambak ng Santa Elena. Ito na naman, 3 against 2 to Del Rosario using the board. But misses to Josol. Del Rosario once again cleaning up his own mess. And good recognition on the part of Labo that the momentum is on Santa Elena and calls for a timeout.
So, ganun-ganun lang, partner. Kabilis, yung lamang ng Labo is binawi ngayon ng Santa Elena at dinagdagan pa. So, ito nga, partner, sabi nga natin, this will be a seesaw battle. Of course, wag din natin kalimutan na itong Team Labo is, ang sabi nga natin, kayang bumalik sa mga ganitong sitwasyon. Nung nakaraan nga, they are down almost, if I'm not mistaken, 25 points. Pero inisa-isa nila yon. So, this Team Labo as that caliber, partner, para makabalik dito sa larong ito. So, ito namang Santa Elena, kung ayaw na nilang pabalikin yung Team Labo, dire-diretsuhin nila yung ginagawa nila. Share the ball, pass forward, primary offense, yun ang gawin nila, partner.
Tama, no? Hindi pwedeng maging kampante dito ang Santa Elena despite their 9-point lead. Because sabi mo nga, etong Team Labo, no, they can come back. No, and they will come back stronger. Tingnan natin if papayag ba ang Santa Elena with that Rañeses. Passing the ball around. Good ball movement on the side of Labo. Finally, inside. Back to Rañeses with 10 seconds to shoot. And a long jumper there by Jose but misses. Josol passing it to Del Rosario. Del Rosario against 3. But the ball hit the knee of Ochoa. But still the ball will be given to them. Del Rosario passing to Josol. Back to Del Rosario in his favorite spot. 3 points! Grabe naman tong Del Rosario. Pag pinabayaan mo dito sa corner, left and right, sure ball. Eto na, Jose. Bounce pass to Ochoa but missing the ball. Back to Jose. Jose. But a foul on Josol was called. So mukhang nakukuha na ng Santa Elena ang kanilang momentum on scoring. And before we proceed any further with the exciting game, puntahan muna natin ang report ni Cassandra kasama ang assistant coach ng Santa Elena. Cassandra, good afternoon sa iyo.
Magandang hapon, Camarines Norte. I am Cassandra Seton, your courtside reporters for today's ball game. For our second game, we are watching teams from Labo and Santa Elena. And right now, we have the assistant coach of Team Santa Elena. Coach, magandang hapon po. Kumusta po kayo?
Hey, magandang hapon, Cassandra. At sa mga nanonood ngayon ng Ako Bicol Cup, okay, masaya ang ating panonood ngayong hapong ito.
Coach, nabanggit niyo nga po kanina na wala pang nakukuhang panalo ang team, ngunit ito na yung pangatlo nyong game. With that, ano po ba yung changes na nakikita nyo na dapat pang gawin ng team for your upcoming games?
So far yung aming last 2 games is very crucial kasi mabibigat yung nakalaban namin na team. So ito namang labo ay mabigat din na team ito. So gagawin namin yung the best na gawa namin. At nagko-connect naman yung mga import namin at yung mga local player namin. So pag nagtuloy-tuloy ito, makukuha namin ang panalo ngayon siguro sa araw na ito.
Ayan, Coach, we are currently live po. Baka may gusto kayong batiin o pasalamatan. Go ahead po.
Yes, siyempre, hindi pwedeng hindi pasasalamatan ang aming punong bayan, Bernardina Borja ng bayan ng Santa Elena. Maraming salamat, madam, sa suporta mo sa Ako Bicol Cup. At siyempre, ang aming board member, Bukal Bihog Serdon, na nakasuporta rin sa aming team, Santa Elena. At sa lahat ng mga taga Santa Eleños, dyan kayo, dito kami, laban tayo! Maraming salamat, Cassandra!
Ayan, thank you very much, Coach, and good luck po to your team. That's the latest update from the courtside. Back to the panel.
Saan kayo? Dito kami, laban tayo. Napaka-energetic ng coach natin at mukhang nahawaan ng mga players ng Santa Elena as they've been leading with 12 points and an opportunity for adding another point dito sa ating second quarter ng laro. No, grabing energy ng ating coach and they are very positive, no. Sabi nga medyo mabigat yung naging kalaban ng Team Santa Elena in their 2 outings, and ito si Labo malakas din, no, pero they are confident kasi nagkakakonektahan na daw yung import at yung local players nila.
Yun nga, partner. So, pansinin natin yung sinabi ng coach yun. Number 1 talaga dito sa basketball is chemistry, partner. So, kailangan natin magkaroon ng good teamwork and proper execution when it comes sa loob ng court. So, kung ano na mangyari, magkaamuyan itong mga player na to. So, talagang maipapanalo to ng Team Santa Elena.
And that is showing sana with the pass of Del Rosario to Ladislao, no? That's the non-verbal communication there, but Ladislao failing to secure the point. But here goes Del Rosario once again with a behind-the-back pass to Malyapre. But again, there was miscommunication on their part there. No? That was too flashy.
Yes, partner, medyo nagiging flashy ngayon si Tikboy. So, hindi niya naman kailangan gawin yun eh. So, just be basic, just do the proper pass para makuha ni Eugene Malyapre yung bola. So, medyo nagiging fancy kasi pag ganyan, medyo nadidiskaril, partner. So, I think mag-a-adjust naman yan si Tikboy kasi alam niya naman yung ginagawa niya.
Tama. And of course, they're still on the lead with 14 points. And the ball possession is there. Fires from long range. What a bomb by Bustos. No? I think this is a new guy, or medyo hindi napapansin dun sa mga unang outing nila. Pero grabing effort ang ginagawa in the very first minutes that has been given to him. But with that, still, Labo, again, a force to be reckoned with. Sabi nga natin, naging springboard ng Labo itong si Bernal at si Ranieses coming back from a 25 deficit against Kapalonga. Tingnan natin kung magagawa nilang muli ito against Santa Elena.
Yes, partner. So, hindi pa dito safe ang Santa Elena. This is just the second quarter, partner. So, marami pang pwedeng mangyari dito.
And with that, Alanis, monstrous rejection ang ginawa kay Bustos. And securing the ball, defense and offense, naasahan si Alanis on that particular run. Now Del Rosario trying to slow down the pace, looking for his teammates, asking for a pick. And again, Bustos. And a pass to his teammate na si Oliveira, but misses. Ibis. Once again to Ranieses, back to Ibis, but there's a slight miscommunication there. That is why Macaro is asking for his team to calm down, and Alanis once again regrouping. Ranieses from the corner fires the bomb, and it blows. Ito si Ranieses at the right place at the right time, and kung kailan kailangan, he will do the work for his team.
So, yun lang partner, sinasabi natin, itong Team Labo na to is may kapasidad na bumalik sa laro. Ayan na, mayroon na namang mini runs itong Team Labo. So, just it cuts the lead, partner, to just 10 points. So kanina naging 17 na yan. Pero yan nga, sabi natin, kahit nga 25 points hinahabol nito mga players na ito. So, dapat talaga wag maging complacent itong Team Santa Elena dito sa larong ito.
Tama, tingnan natin kung ano yung adjustments na gagamitin at gagawin ng Santa Elena, of course with the guidance of their head coach na si Sir Wally Horvina.
Yes,
Tingnan
partner. So
natin.
far ngayon, ng Santa Elena, wala pa rin adjustment sa kanilang depensa. They are still doing the extended 2-3 zone. So they are pressuring the ball handler. Pero pag binigay na, partner, sa corner ang bola ng mga Tagalabo, medyo nahihirapan mag-commit itong players ng Santa Elena to defend that corner shot. So yan ang nagiging problema nila.
Yan, tingnan natin kung ano yung adjustments na gagawin nila with the shooters of Labo. Now Ladislao passing it to Bustos. Bustos losing the ball and Ranieses attacking, running like a wind and securing the shot for his team. Grabe naman, pinapasikatan na naman tayo nitong si Ranieses. Bustos, hindi papayag. Attacking, heavily guarded by Ranieses. Pass it to the 3-point line. Malyapre, the giant under the rim, but was trapped by 2. Decided to pass it to Abiera. Abiera missing his 2 shots, but Bustos now with the ball. Fires from downtown, misses. Abiera with the rebound, trying to reclaim his glory. Passes it to Del Rosario, but Ibis was there to tackle the ball. And easy 2 points using the board. Grabing action ang nangyayari dito. Ang puso ng Santa Elena with different offensive rebounds, but still misses. Abiera now once again to reclaim his glory to Bustos. Bustos pump fakes, but that's a traveling violation, my friend. Resulting to a turnover. Ito na nga yung sinasabi natin. Several mistakes will lead to a Labo closing the gap against Team Santa Elena.
Yes, partner. So ayan na nga, ang napapansin natin, yung sinasabi ng coach nila na chemistry, medyo nawawala ngayon kasi they are ball hugging. And then, naglo-load sila sa isang side. So medyo nahihirapan sila when it comes to spacing, partner. So hindi sila makapasa ng maganda.
Tama, and with that, Del Rosario and Malyapre connection, closing the gap with 3 points na lang. Coach Paul, ito na yung sinasabi na natin na you cannot mess with the Zoans
Yes,
because they will come back.
So ayan na, pero good thing yung ginagawa nito ni Eugene Malyapre at ni Tikboy ay inaatake pa rin nila. Pero yun na nga, another 3-pointer from that guy Ranieses, partner. So ito na, lumalapit itong mga Tagalabo with just a 4 points deficit, partner.
And Santa Elena being desperate, try to shoot a 3 there without moving the ball around. And Bernal to close the gap! And ito na nga, umahabol na ang Team Labo sa Santa Elena. And an opportunity. I think Santa Elena is still struggling to make an offense here. Del Rosario asking for a pick. Fires a 3-pointer but misses. And wala nang tao dito sa baba. I think they're very confident in their shooting ability. Ranieses. Eto na, Bernal against Malyapre. Spins. What a shot! And that ties our ball game, ladies and gentlemen, with seconds to play. Napakagandang development sa Team Labo in the later part of the second quarter. Tingnan natin if Santa Elena will gain their glory. And kitang-kita sa ating camera ang desperate move na ginawa doon ni Abiera.
Napakagandang depensa on the part of Lyndon Alanes. And hindi napapansin itong coach, itong Santa Elena partner na si Tikboy Del Rosario ay binabox 1 nitong Team Labo. So they are putting a guy na on Tikboy Del Rosario para hindi na siya makapag-orchestrate pa ng play, partner. So yun ang ginagawa nitong Team Labo.
Tama.
That's why ito ang nangyayari. Again, we are tied at 49. So I don't know kung anong gagawing adjustments, partner, or kung nakikita yan itong coaches nitong Team Santa Elena.
Tama. Recognizing that Del Rosario is contributing a lot to the play. They have been guarding him so well. But Del Rosario, speaking of the devil with the ball, passing it to Malyapre, using the ball. But Bernal with his very strong rebound and boxing out Malyapre, saying that I am the king under the rim. Pass it to the side. And here we go, Bernal attacking once again with a Eurostep using Douglas Morto. And taking the lead away from Santa Elena. Napakagandang development with 25 seconds remaining, mga kasurog. Kapit lang kayo. Like and share nyo na itong laro kasi napakaganda ng basketball ang ipinapakita sa atin ng both teams.
And just like that, partner, lamang na ang Team Labo.
Eto na, Jose generating once again a play. Bernal, grabe naman to. Giving a screen for his teammate. But Santa Elena with an opportunity to tie the ball game as it ends. Pass it to, intercepted. Eto na, mukhang kalungkutan ang nangyayari sa Santa Elena. From a 17-point advantage, they have been outplayed by Labo. Now leading with 2 points. So tingnan natin kung mababawi nila ang kalamangan. Oliveira dancing against 3 but misses. And there you have it, another foul called on the side of Santa Elena. No, a foul committed by Malyapre with 2.5 seconds remaining. Salgado pass it to Bernal with a quick 3-point attempt but misses. So that's the end, ladies and gentlemen, of our first half. Napakagandang bakbakan, no, between Labo and Santa Elena. Labo edging with 2 points against Santa Elena. Again, brought to you by Ako Bicol Cup, Camarines Norte. Magbabalik po kami.
Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Ako lang ng pagpapasalamat niya mo dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa mga sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit 1 dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Muraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School Multipurpose Building.
Kaya Salamat sa Ako Bicol. Tadakulaon ang tabang di sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ng pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
And we're back mga kasurog. Once again, live na live tayo dito sa Roy Padilla Memorial Stadium. Jose Panganiban, Camarines Norte. Muli, ako si Angelo Espinacilla, ang inyong play-by-play commentator. At kasama ko si...
At ako naman si Coach Paul Sepe, ang inyong basketball analyst for this afternoon. Magandang hapon po sa lahat ng nanonood sa atin sa live. And also, good afternoon to all the Ako Bicol Cup fans. So magandang laban to, partner, no? So kanina, medyo lumamang po ang Santa Elena ng 17 points at hinabol ito nitong Team Labo. And now, another, dinagdagan pa nila ang 2 puntos sa kalamangan. So, Labo now is up by 4. So, titingnan natin kung ano magiging adjustments nitong mga taga Santa Elena, partner.
Tama nga doon, partner, no? Adding insult to the injury itong Labo after their comeback in the first half and securing the first point for this second half. Tingnan natin if Oliveira can connect this shot, but no good. Bernal securing the rebound by boxing out Malyapre. Eto na, si Jose dribbling the ball, pass it to the big man na si Alanis, proving the crowd that he can be a man inside and outside. Now Del Rosario against Del Rosario, naglalambingan ng magkaapelido. Del Rosario, what a pass, but rejected by Bernal. But a foul was called, and I think the foul there was called on jersey number 24 na si Macaro. Grabing depensa ang pinapakita nitong Team Labo.
Okay, partner. So, pasadahan muna natin itong mga naging high scorer natin noong first half. For Team Santa Elena, we have Malyapre with 10 points, Del Rosario and Abiera. So, they have all 10 points apiece, partner. Pero ang medyo dito is itong si Del Rosario na may 7 assist, partner. So, kung magtuloy-tuloy ito, siguro makakabalik dito itong Santa Elena, partner.
Tama. On the side of Labo naman, partner, on leading our score sheet is Joshua Ranieses with 11 points, no, and 1 rebounds, assist, and steal, no, tag-iisang doon sa mga aspect na yon. At of course, si jersey number 10 na si Bernal with a whopping 14 points and 5 rebounds, partner. So napakagaling all in itong si Bernal kasi meron pa siyang 2 assists, 1 steal, and 1 block. Tingnan natin kung mapipigilan itong si Aga Bernal sa ilalim ng ring. Ito na. Josol, given the chance to throw free throws. Tingnan natin if he can maximize those opportunity. And he nailed the first one just a while ago. And that's 2 chickens in the bucket by Josol, closing the gap, no, into 3 or 4 points. No. Ito na. Labo with the ball. Pass it to Alanis. Alanis pump fakes, attacks the paint using his left hand. But to no avail, but Bernal was there to assist his friend na si Alanis. Again, increasing their advantage. Now Josol dribbles the ball. Pass it to Oliveira. Oliveira attacking the key with a reverse layup. What a drive and blow by there by John Oliveira.
Yes, partner. So magandang drive yon from Oliveira. So kailangan, partner, itong mga players nitong Santa Elena, itong ibang players nila mag-step up kasi ang ginagawa nitong Labo talagang binabox 1 itong si Del Rosario, ang kanilang guest import. So mahihirapan sila pag ganyan na hindi nakakahawak itong si Del Rosario ng bola. So they have to step up their game dito sa ating second half para makahabol sila dito sa Team Labo.
Tama, Coach Paul, no. Medyo nakokontrol na ng Team Labo itong si Del Rosario, and there's a miscommunication there in a pass of Malyapre and Oliveira. That's why Team Labo has the ball once again. Jose with a quick catch and release, but blocked by Oliveira, reclaiming automatically his glory after missing to catch the pass there by Malyapre made seconds ago. Now, Ranieses with a quick and catch attempt. Malyapre passing to Josol, but intercepted by Alanis. And Alanis passing it to Ranieses, but Oliveira, Kobe was there, no, to prevent the play. So there's 2 Oliveira on the court, si John at si Kobe. What a drive by Ranieses, but a very short one, no? Eto na, si Oliveira, pass it to Josol, then back to Del Rosario. Ito yung kailangan nilang gawin, no? Mga breakaway to the point na hindi mababantayan ng isang Del Rosario. Ranieses now with the ball, being the court general now. Pass it to Bernal. Bernal recognizing that is a smaller guard, but there's Malyapre. But regardless, Bernal attacking the giant of Santa Elena, and then Josol securing a revenge 2-pointer. Gitgitan ang labanan mga kasurog. 2 points lang po ang kalamangan ng Labo against Santa Elena. Ito na. Pass it to Jose. Bernal once again guarded by Oliveira. They are using 2-man defense to guard this big guy by the name of Bernal. But Del Rosario dancing and prancing, attacking the basket, securing the points and tying the ball game with 60 points for both teams. Napakagandang laro, Coach Paul.
So again ulitin natin, this is a seesaw battle with these two good teams. So hindi natin partner ma-determine kung sino talaga ang aalago dito kasi they are not giving up.
And eto na si Del Rosario with behind the back pass to Oliveira. Oliveira reclaiming the glory for Santa Elena, clapping his hand as seeing the coach of Team Labo asking for a timeout because they've overrun Team Labo in the precious 4 minutes of the third quarter.
Yes, partner. So as we see that shot coming from Husol, so maganda yung pinapakita nila when it comes to transition, partner. They are sharing the ball. If not, si Del Rosario talagang they are going hard to the basket. So maganda to kasi hindi makaka-set up ng depensa itong Team Labo, hindi siya mababox one when it comes to transition. So kailangan nila talagang i-share that ball, push forward yung bola to better execute, partner.
Tama, no? And I think there's no strategy a while ago, no, for Team Labo how to deal with the fast breaks. Yun yung naging edge ng Santa Elena in order to deal with Team Labo.
Yes, partner. So ito, they are very talagang hardworking on the part of the defense side, partner, itong dalawang team na to. Again, itong si Bernal, talagang ina-atake niya itong si Malyapre, partner. So, kasi nagkakumpiyansa na to si Bernal kasi kanina talagang yun ang ginagawa niya, partner.
Tama, no? And the hope is Malyapre to reject the attacks of Bernal. Kasi kung hindi, Bernal would be relentless in attacking him. But here's go Del Rosario dancing once again using his left and right foot, attacking and leading again with the scoreboards. But I think he's communicating with the referee asking for a foul there. Eto na, si Ranieses. Quick pass to Jose. Back to Bernal. Bernal, despite that his body in a diagonal position because Jose was there. Oliveira was there. He managed to make the shot. Napakagaling ng batang ito.
Yes, partner. But that's a good recognition on the part of the players of Labo, partner. Kasi nagwa 1-2-2 itong depensa nitong Santa Elena. That's why they are hitting the middle. Kasi pag 1-2-2, partner, bukang-buka yung middle na yan.
Tama. No, and eto na nga, Bernal capitalizing on his height and confidence, making 3-point play and securing again the lead for Team Labo. Tingnan natin what will be the adjustments of Santa Elena. Malyapre passing it to Husol, to Del Rosario. Del Rosario carrying the team on his shoulder, but no good. Bernal dribbles and pass it to kay Jose, but misses the shot. Del Rosario, Thick Boy attacking once again, carrying the ball from coast to coast, but a foul was called. So yan, as Del Rosario will drop to the line, puntahan muna natin si Cassandra with the head coach of Team Labo for his interview. Cassandra, the floor is yours.
Ayan, we are very lucky this afternoon to be able to speak with the head coach of Team Labo. Coach, magandang hapon po. Kumusta po kayo?
Mabuti naman. Medyo intense yung laban.
Yes, Coach, tamang-tama ka. Intense nga yung laro. Kanina, Santa Elena yung nangunguna sa scores. Ngunit ngayon, nakahabol na po ang team nyo. With that, ano ba yung changes na ginawa nyo after the first half? At ano pa ba yung dapat nyong i-improve o i-maintain para maipanalo yung laro ngayong hapon?
Ginawa lang namin siguro yung pag-control doon kay Tickboy Del Rosario. Madomina namin yung mga atake niya, makontrol namin yung mga atake niya. At sa mga susunod na quarter siguro, itutuloy lang namin yung depensa para sa Team Santa Elena.
Ayan, Coach, we are live po. Baka may gusto kayong batian o pasalamatan, go ahead po.
Okay, binabati ko yung, siyempre, unang-una yung misis ko na nanonood ngayon ng live sa bahay. Ayun na, yung magandang hapon. At yung mga kasama ko sa trabaho sa MDRRMO Labo. Chill lang ka dyan, mga guys. Siyempre, yung pasalamatan ko rin si Mayor Jojo Francisco. Walang sawa nagsusuporta sa amin sa Sangguniang Bayan ng Labo. at si Boss Ronnie De Jesus na talagang full support sa Team Labo. Binabati ko rin po yung mga kabarangay ko sa Barangay Dalas, sa particular doon sa Barangay Susara Subdivision.
Ayan, thank you very much, Coach, and good luck po to your team. That's the latest update from the courtside. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Cassandra and Coach Mel Del Rosario of Team Labo. And with that, grabe yung development na ginawa ng Santa Elena with that run. No? Leading with 4 points. Now adding another 2 points is si John Olivera. Si Kobe Olivera rather. Eto na, ano kayong gagawin ng Team Labo with Jose carrying the ball. Looking for someone. Pass it to Alanes. Alanes thinking 3. Asking for a pick with Bernal to Jose. Ranyeses. Back to Alanes. What a good ball movement but misses the shot. And of course, the second attempt by Bernal there. And a good pass. Josolto Del Rosario went behind the back. Spinning pass. I don't know how to describe it. But nonetheless, it connected. Napakagandang galaw ang ipinapakita ng Santa Elena. Now for the last 2 minutes of this third quarter. Eto na, Del Rosario rushing. Guarded by 3, recognizing that there's an open teammate. Kuroko pass to Olivera. Kobe Olivera with his back-to-back points. Grabe, naglalagablab itong Santa Elena. Again, creating a 10-point lead against Team Labo. But Bernal against Malyapre. Malyapre now standing his ground. And trying to defend against Bernal, but Bernal has been relentless and can shoot from any spot inside the paint. Olivera Kobe with the ball. Pass it to the big man with a Euro step using the left hand and the glass. 4-2. Grabe naman to si Abiera. Sumasayaw. At speaking of sayaw, Bernal was caught dancing in the wrong song. And a costly turnover, Coach Paul.
So ayun naman, pumick up na ngayon yung Team Santa Elena partner. So maganda na game chemistry na nila ngayong third quarter. So tingnan natin naman, sabi ko nga partner, hindi pa dito safe itong Santa Elena kasi itong Team Labo talagang bumabalik to kahit medyo nalalamangan sila. So dapat i-continue nitong Team Santa Elena itong ginagawa nila when it comes to transition and also good adjustments on the part of the coaches to bring back their defense 2-3 kasi doon talaga medyo nahirapan itong team ng Labo when it comes to that defensive play. Kasi nangyari kanina, bigla silang nag-extend, nag-1-2-2 sila. So talagang ang ina-atake din itong Team Labo is yung middle. So nung bumalik sila sa 2-3, na-defend nila well yung middle but I think may mga panakanakang puntos itong si Bernal doon sa loob. But talaga yung transition ang bumuhat dito for sa Team Santa Elena partner.
Tama, very good observation, Coach Paul. So tingnan natin if the dominance of Santa Elena in this unfamiliar territory will continue or makakabawi uli ang Team Labo as we've been witnessing for the past game and the past few quarters that they had. And Ranyeses has been fouled. So, tingnan natin kung papalitan siya or he will continue playing for the remaining time. With that, a quick 3-point attempt by Kobe Olivera, adding insult to the injury. Grabe. And now, slowly, ballooning na itong score at kalamangan ng Santa Elena sa Team Labo. But here you go. Trying to attack the paint itong si Salgado but misses. Del Rosario out of nowhere using the glass but misses and tip off by Malalulan. Grabe, this new guy is maximizing the time given to his by his coach. No? So shout out natin ang ating mga bossing na hands-on nandito sa venue upang panoorin ang very exciting ball game na nangyayari dito sa Roy Padilla Memorial Stadium.
So ayun nga partner, sinasabi ko kayo sa'yo kanina, maganda yung ginagawang transition plays ditong Team Santa Elena. So dapat i-continue nila yan kasi talagang hindi nakakahabol itong Team Labo when it comes to transition partner.
Tama, no? The running and gunning type of offense of Santa Elena has been paying off and with that, eto na, Team Labo securing the ball. Malyapre losing the interception. Jose driving in a blind pass to Bernal against the 3 Giants. using the glass but misses. Del Rosario against 3, dancing and using his left hand. Basket counts, and we see there the motion of the referee as if he's smashing the ground with that immense attack by Del Rosario. Tingnan mo, partner, pinalaman sa isang pyramid ang isang Tikboy Del Rosario, but nonetheless, no, kinaliwa niya lang. And one pa.
Yes, partner. So yun nga yung napapansin natin kanina, partner. So tingnan mo naman, nung nag-transition itong Santa Elena, itong si Bernal halos hindi na nakababa with that kind of transition. So ito ang dapat gawin, or siguro i-maintain ito ng team Santa Elena if they want to win this game. For Team Labo naman, partner, so kailangan nila ng adjustments dito sa part na ito ng game para makahabol sila dito sa larong ito.
Tama, no? Kasi on the last outing, 25 yung kalamangan ng Kapalonga pero nahabol nila. So the hope is still here for Team Labo as Jose fires a long-range jumper but misses to reclaim his glory. He shot a midway but no good for his third attempt, attempting 3 but blind pass. And a no-look pass to Balneg. But it was monstrously rejected by Team Santa Elena, saying as if you cannot penetrate our paint. Now Bernal attempting a long-range jumper in his favorite spot. Bernal has been carrying the team on his shoulder for the past few minutes of the third quarter. Now with 28 seconds remaining time, Olivera to Olivera connection. To the new man na si Malaluan, attacks, pass it to Kobe, nothing but net! Grabe naman tong isang Kobe Olivera. Back-to-back 3 points sa kanya. Jose, looking for revenge, attempting 3. With 10 seconds remaining on the clock. Bernal once again in his favorite spot. Pass it to Jose. With 5 seconds remaining, fires a 3! What a revenge by Jose. Santa Elena. And there's the end of the third quarter. Mga kasurog with a score of 90-74 in favor of Santa Elena. What a whopping lead created by Santa Elena in just 1 quarter, Coach Paul.
Yes, partner. So, good for the part of the Santa Elena team, partner, that they lead with that kind of transition. Pero sabi nga natin, partner, on the other hand, itong Team Santa Elena, Labo rather, is may pagkakataon to and may chance to, partner, lagi. Yung mga chances dito, pag talagang bumalik sila, minsan talagang nakakatakot din kasi again, hindi pa natin nakikita yung 2-2-1 full court trap nitong team na to. So, it might be dito sa fourth quarter nila ipakita yung defensive stops na yan. Pero for good, again, for Team Santa Elena kasi nga, eto, nagkakaamuyan na yung mga players nila, yung chemistry ng team. Talaga, pag nagta-transition offense itong team na ito ngayon, is talaga halos lahat ng nasa transition nakakahawak ng bola. And talagang yung open man yung hinahanap nila, partner.
Tama, partner, no? But still, again, no, sabi nga natin na Labo can come back anytime here. Especially that Bernal has been shooting relentlessly in the paint without even, no, eto pa yung ace sa sleeve nila na si Ranieses. Hindi pa masyadong tumitira at gumagalaw. So tingnan natin kung he will use the remaining 10 minutes on his favor. So ito yung statistics natin so far on the side of Santa Elena. We have Del Rosario, of course, leading the scoreboard with a whopping 23 points, 8 rebounds, and 9 assists and 6 steals. Gamit na gamit, partner. Along with Malyapre with 13 points, 8 rebounds, and 1 assist, and followed by Olivera na si John with 13 points, 3 rebounds, and 2 steals.
And for Team Labo naman, partner, we have the number 19 guy, Joshua Ranieses with 11 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist, and 1 steal. And ito, partner, dito sa larong ito, talagang buwis-buhay, talagang buhat-buhay ito for Team Labo. Ito si Aga Bermal with 27 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal, and 1 block, partner. Grabe.
Tama, partner, no? I think kailangan mag-step up ng ibang players ng Labo. Speaking of, Alanis using the mismatch in terms of physique against Balneg, but Balneg was not happy with that call but eventually raised his left hand to acknowledge the foul. And there's a substitution.
Yes, partner. So, ayun na, partner. Medyo nagpa-file up dito yung fouls nitong team Labo, partner. It will hunt them, partner, pag itong laro will go down the wire, partner. Kasi ito, napakaaga pa dito sa fourth quarter. 3 na kagad ang team fouls nila.
Tama, no? There will be a foul trouble eventually. But Ranieses now to Alanes. Alanes fires the bomb, but misses. Malyapre securing the ball for his team. To Abiera. Abiera to Olivera. And a blind pass to Husol. What a connection by Olivera and Husol there, ladies and gentlemen.
So again, yung transition na yon is talagang going wonders for this team Santa Elena. So Batasoa, medyo nag-lapse sila doon sa defense side na yon for Team Labo. No need to hurry for Team Santa Elena, partner.
Yeah,
so again, pag may opportunity lang sila, pwede silang mag-run. Pero pag pwede naman nilang hatakin yan and stick to their system.
Tama, no? Because they are leading this ball game as of the moment. But Jose attacking and blow by against 2 defenders. That's Jose, ladies and gentlemen, for you. Now, Olivera dribbling the ball. Looking for revenge. Pass it to Osol. Nalab pass to the corner. To Abiera. To Malyapre and to Del Rosario. Good ball movement. And Del Rosario decided to take the fadeaway shot but misses. An opportunity now to Labo from Labo to close the gap with a right-hand teardrop, but no good. Bernal out of nowhere trying to secure the rebound, but there's an off-ball foul there seen by the referee. No, Olivera pushing the player from Team Labo, and Ranieses will now be inbounding the ball to Jose. Again, another set and an opportunity to close in the gap. Ito na. With a drive by Macaro. Back-to-back drive on the left wing by Macaro. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi ang Santa Elena because that's already 2-0 run with Malyapre holding the ball. Passing it to Hosol. Hosol dribbles using the pick given by Malyapre. Malyapre and a drop pass to Abiera but misses. Hosol was there at the right place at the right time. Fires the missile. No good. That's an in and out. Ranieses once again to Macaro for his back-to-back, but no good. Alanes once again to Macaro to reclaim his glory with the same board and the same ring, but misses once again. The second opportunity. Now Del Rosario rushing. But there's an offensive foul called on Del Rosario, and he was not happy with that call. But nonetheless, the ball will be awarded to Team Labo.
Medyo nahuli siya doon, partner, with that push coming from behind doon sa defender, partner. Pero eto nga, good thing now is again, lamang pa rin ng Santa Elena, but for Team Labo, partner, nga, sabi nga natin, with those adjustments, kaya nitong bumalik dito sa game natin. So, hintayin natin yan kung magra-runs ba sila or talagang ito, mauungusan na sila nitong Santa Elena with those transition offense and those 3-point bombs, partner.
Tama, and with that, no, from a 17-point lead, 12 points na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Santa Elena against Team Labo. And sa kaka-tune in lang, no, at kaka-subscribe lang sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Cam Norte leg, Santa Elena has been looking for their first win. No? They've experienced and tasted 2 losses already, while Labo wants to still ride the rhythm of their first win in this outing. So tingnan natin kung sinong magwawagi. Ang nanalo na ba o ang naghahanap ng panalo, with Ranieses being blocked. But here comes Bernal, missing for the very first time in that paint. Olivera trying to slow up the pace. Pass it to Usol. Usol to Olivera. Pump fakes and decided to move forward, but Alanes was there to secure the ball. And Bernal, you cannot stop this guy when he's in the paint.
Ayan na naman, partner, yan ang run na yan. So, nagsisimula na itong Team Labo. Nakat na nila yung lead sa just 10 points, partner. So, titingnan natin kung anong gagawin dito ni Tikboy de Rosario, partner.
Tama, but he's guarded by a pesky defender by the name of Ranieses. And speaking of, it was intercepted. And Ranieses, eto na, against a much bigger guard na si Abiera. He connected that shot plus a bonus free throw. Ito sa replay mga kaibigan, no? A much smaller point guard flies high and kitang-kita naman talaga sa camera na medyo natamaan yung kamay ng Ranieses.
And again, partner, ito si Joshua Ranieses doing wonders here, partner, para sa kanyang team na Labo. So magtutuloy itong run ng Labo dito sa game na to. So, ayun, Husol now to Tikboy, partner. So, tingnan natin kung anong gagawin dito ng team Santa Elena.
Ito na nga yung sinasabi natin, no? The magic of Ranieses is still an ace up on the sleeve of Team Labo. Pero the effort, no, the consistency of Bernal, no, has been paying off now, but intercepted. And here go Ranieses once again with his magics. Ranieses, but no good. And mishap on the side of Team Labo as Alanis and Bernal was jumping at the same time, missing to secure the rebound for their team.
So that was a bad pass on the part of Husol, partner, no. It could have been an easy 2 points for Tikboy Del Rosario at the other end. So sayang yon for Team Santa Elena.
Tama. And speaking of Del Rosario, trap against 2. Now Olivera to Husol. Husol with the big Bonabon attacking. Fires from long range and he nailed it. The new guy showing off his swag by hitting a fadeaway shot.
So off the bench, partner, itong si Bonabon nag-contribute kagad for Team Santa Elena.
Tama. No more laying time siguro sa mga susunod na laro. But speaking of, Labo na with the ball. Ranieses fires from downtown. Kaboom! A much-needed 3-point for Team Labo. Ranieses showing the magics. Once again, no, the wonders of his movements in the remaining 5 minutes of the game. Tikboy with a revenge 3-pointer but misses. But here goes Malyapre securing the ball. But he was sacked there by Ranieses, resulting to a foul. But nonetheless, this has been a very good development for Team Labo as they are closing the gap into 7 points, Coach Paul.
Yes, partner. So again, sabi ko nga ito si Joshua Ranieses doing wonders once again for his team. So, I love to watch this kid, partner. Alam mo yun, napaka-flashy, pero hindi siya mayabang. So talagang he just plays.
Tama, mukhang medyo shady yun. Kaya hindi na ako magko-comment doon, Coach Paul. No? Eto na, si Bernal once again is very consistent move and guarded by 2. Jose with a quick jumper and Bernal again securing the rebound for his team. But kitang-kita yung atake niya doon. No? He was fouled and called for an offensive foul there. Bernal, no, with his heart on his sleeve, trying his best to get the rebounds for his team. Sabi nga niyan ni Gori, no, kay Sakuragi, who controls the rebound controls the game. And Bernal is applying it here. Del Rosario now, guarded by a smaller guy by the name of Ibis, but misses. Now, Ranieses fires a long-range 3, but was fouled from the outside line. So he will troop to the line for 3 throws. No, a very costly mistake on the side of Bonabon, and I think he was not happy there with the call.
Ang akala nito ni Bonabon, sinipa siya ni Ranieses. Na talagang jump shot kasi talaga yung tira nito ni Ranieses. Talagang pumasok siya dun sa cylinder nito ni Ranieses. That's why he was called for a foul, partner.
And here goes Ranieses, no, the wonder of Team Labo, no. Ang sinasabi nating boy Labo ng Labo is maximizing the 3 points in the 3 throws. Grabe naman yun. At 4 na lang mga kasurog ang kalamangan ng Team Santa Elena against Team Labo. Kapit lang mga kasurog. Kasi umatikabo ang bakbakan at hindi natin alam kung anong mangyayari sa natitirang 4 na minuto nitong laro. Husol now to Malyapre. Bounce pass to the Del Rosario. That's a desperate pass, I think, kasi recognizing hindi masyadong open doon si De Rosario, but good thing a foul was called there.
Yes, partner. And that was too much aggressiveness for Ibis, partner. And hindi niya alam, nasa penalty na sila. So every time they commit sa free throw, a foul, mag-free throw na itong Santa Elena, partner.
Tama. Ito na yung sinasabi mo kanina, Coach Paul, no, at the very first minute, 3 na agad. No? And it's hurting them, no, at this very moment. Because of course, ang isang veteran na Del Rosario would maximize every opportunity given to him in the free throw line. And that's nothing but net, creating a 6-point gap once again. But tingnan natin kung anong gagawin na itong Labo that has been slowly crawling and grabbing Team Santa Elena by their neck. And Jose firing the missile and hitting the Labo hard. Hitting Santa Elena hard. Eto na, 3-point advantage na lang ang kalamangan nitong Team Santa Elena. Hosol dribbling the ball, looking for his teammate, trying to give and feed the ball to Del Rosario to create a play. Quick jumper ang ginawa dito, and securing the ball is Bernal, the king of the rim for this game. With that whopping, I think that is 12 or 13th rebound already. Now Jose with the ball, an opportunity to close the gap. Bernal pass it to a much smaller Ibis inside, looking for someone. Alanes, back to Jose, pump fakes, taking 3 with 5 seconds remaining from a long distance. Misses, but here you go. Jose with his small Rañeses with a quick release, but misses, and a rebound. Ibis shooting 2 points. What a game, ladies and gentlemen. Santa Elena is now with a 1-point lead against Team Labo. Now Hosol and Malyapre trying hard and struggling because Alanis has been guarding Del Rosario so hard they cannot look for an... And there's a foul on Bernal there. No, mukhang intense na ang labanan, partner. Ito na yung sinasabi natin, no? You cannot underestimate Team Labo because they will struck you, no, when your back is in their front. Ito na nga yung sinasabi natin, they can come back at any time.
Yes, partner. Pero ito si Eugene Malyapre is awarded 2 free throws. Pero good recognition on the part of Team Labo, partner. So ang binigay nilang defender dito kay Tikboy De Rosario, ito si Lyndon Alanis. Medyo much bigger when it comes to height dito kay Tikboy De Rosario, partner. But again, Malyapre sinks the 2 free throws to extend the lead to 3 points, partner.
Once again, no, but again, naanteles kung sinong manalo nito. It's almost triple digit for both teams. No, they are showing us a good basketball. Bernal again attacking, dances and prances and shoots. Ilista mo na yan, Sir Iris. Napakagandang atake against Tikboy Del Rosario with 1-point lead. Hosol dribbles, asking for a pick, loses his guard. Hosol rejected by Bernal. What a man! Hats off, ladies and gentlemen, sa isang aga. Bernal has been trying his best. Kitang-kita natin yung monstrous block and determination to win this ball game against Santa Elena. Quick 3-point attempt by Del Rosario. Right when they needed it the most, Del Rosario is there to slap the asses of players of Team Labo. Jose now with the ball, asking for a pick, heavily guarded by Oliveira. Trap, Alanes pump fakes, attacking the paint, using the glass, and was fouled by the team of Santa Elena.
Napakagandang palitan ng puntos, partner, but Tikboy Del Rosario at the right time, at the right place with that inbound play, so sinking the 3-pointer. So tingnan natin ito si Lyndon kung papasok ba. First free throw, Mintes, partner. So sayang ito. Free throws na ito ngayong 1 minute and 48 seconds remaining. But sinks the second. So ito na ang Team Santa Elena. Let's see kung ano ang gagawin dito ng Team Santa Elena with itong Team Labo is playing a man-to-man defense now here.
Tama, and we're on the twilight zone as we are approaching the last 1 minute and 30 seconds of the game. Tikboy Del Rosario still the court general for Team Santa Elena. At nagkakagulo na din ang mga audience natin sa ating FB Live. Del Rosario with his confidence releasing the shot there. An opportunity for Team Labo to come back stronger. Eto na. Shoutout sa ating 1.2K viewers sa Facebook na nanonood at sa ating YouTube channel. Jose asking for a pick. Quick pass to Ranieses. And the boy Labo of Labo. No good, but Bernal was there to secure the rebound. This man has been using all his strengths from the very beginning but failed to connect this time. Del Rosario against Ibis. Del Rosario, lab pass to Malyapre. Malyapre against Bernal. Recognizing that there's an open man by the name of Osol. What a play on the side of Santa Elena with seconds to play. We don't know what will happen here. Everyone is at the edge of their seat as Jose fires the missile from long range and Ranieses was there with a pass to Alanes. Shoots, but no good. Malyapre securing the ball. Pass it to Olivera saying let's kill the time because the game is now in our favor with 40 seconds remaining, Coach Paul.
Yes, partner. So napakagandang stop down on the part of Team Santa Elena. And now Olivera should make these 2 free throws para ma-extend pa ang kanilang kalamangan dito, partner.
Tama, because again, this 5-point lead will not assure you that you've already have this game in your bag. No, this is not money and in your pockets yet because 40 seconds is still 40 seconds.
Yes, partner. So good thing Olivera sinks the 2 free throws, partner. So ito na nga sinasabi natin, makukuha na kaya ng Team Santa Elena ang kanilang unang panalo dito sa ating Camarines Norte leg ng Ako Bicol Cup, partner, or itong Team Labo will still talagang came back here dito sa ating laro.
Tama, tingnan natin kung Santa Elena will claim their first victory as you were saying a while ago, or will this man na si Ranieses or anyone will show us some miracle in the remaining 40 seconds of this game. But again, nonetheless, napakagandang laro and I think everyone watching at their home and here in the Roy Padilla Memorial Stadium would agree that this one is a story to tell. And of course, this will not happen kung wala ang ating butihing congressman na si Rep Saldico at ang Ako Bicol Party List. Of course, this league is headed by our bossing na si Sir Lloyd Rivera and our Assistant Commissioner na si Sir Ino Rivera. Eto na, walang kukurap mga kaibigan as Jose fires a 3-pointer on the corner, closing the gap once again.
That was a quick 3-pointer from Jose, partner. Yun nga, sabi mo, yung 6-point lead, hindi pa sila sure dito. So, no need to hurry naman on the part of Santa Elena. And for Team Labo, they should defend well and make a stop in this sequence, partner.
Del Rosario killing the time. And Team Labo decided not to foul. What a pass to Malyapre. And a foul by Ibis there. Sayang, 8 seconds na lang sana. But good foul, I think, because there's a mismatch. Instead of giving an easy 2 points, he decided for 2 throws to be rewarded for Malyapre.
This is a very crucial free throw for Eugene Malyapre, partner. So titingnan natin ang composure nito ni Eugene when it comes dito sa closing end ng ating game. And he misses, partner. Yan, the door is still open for Team Labo. Pero ito, dapat ipasok niya ito to make a 5-point lead dito, partner.
Tingnan natin if Malyapre will sink this one. But no good. And Bernal loses the rebound. The important rebound there. Del Rosario hitting once again from the side. And I think they're happy with this result because Del Rosario has been shooting. The shooting accuracy of Del Rosario in the free throw line has been up to the roof. No? If I'm not mistaken, wala pa siyang nami-miss na free throw throw in this game. So eto na, Tikboy Del Rosario once again securing the first one and nailed the second. And I think that's the nail to the coffin. But puso pa rin ang pinapakita ng Team Labo as Jose attacks Malyapre out of desperation. but the foul was called there. Ibis, I'm sorry, it's Ibis attacking the much bigger guy. At makikita natin, no, nagsisiuwian na yung mga tao dito sa ating stadium because they know that this game is in the bag for Santa Elena. But who knows, no? Maybe wonders can happen and miracles may occur in the remaining 13 seconds. And Ibis, no, I think his attempt there was to hit the rim and rebound it for himself to secure a point. But eto na, grabe na yung nagyayakapan na dito si Alanis at si Del Rosario. Grabe ang pusong pinapakita ni Team Labo. But Hosol, quick pass to Oliveira, but no good. Bernal to Ibis. Ibis with the ball, stops and pops, fires a three! But stepping into the line, and that's 2 points. 3 points na lang, but the clock was not on their favor. But nonetheless, Coach Paul, this is a game, no, to replay. A game that I will surely remember for ages. What a fight between Team Labo and Team Santa Elena.
Yes, partner. So, this will be in the history books, partner. Pero napakaganda laro. Pwede nila itong panoodin dahil marami silang matututunan dito sa larong ito for Team Labo and Team Santa Elena for their adjustment in their upcoming games. So, congratulations to Team Santa Elena for getting their first win in this tournament. And also, congratulations pa rin for Team Labo for giving a good fight for their team. And again, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood dito sa San Jose, sa San Jose Panganiban, and also to all the live viewers, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. As we see the highlights of the game, there's a lot of wonders here dito sa larong ito, and the lights of Oliveira, Husol, and also ito si Tikboy de Rosario, and of course ito si Eugene Malyapre and Abiera also. Maganda mga pinakita dito sa Team Santa Elena na ito. So again, congratulations to Team Santa Elena for getting that first win in this Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte leg, partner.
Tama, no? And of course, no, a very good learning opportunity for Team Labo, no, after tasting their first defeat in this Ako Bicol Cup 2023 Camarines Norte leg. So for sure, they will ponder and reflect on the mistakes they did in this run, and for sure will come back stronger. Kasi ang standing po nila, mga kaibigan, is 1-1. So they still have 2 more games to play in this particular league. And ito na nga, makita natin itong isang Malyapre showing his dominance despite being controlled by Bernal in the first few runs. And Del Rosario hitting his corner shot several times, securing the lead for his team. So tingnan natin kung sino yung magiging best player of the game, but I think you already have an idea by seeing here the highlights of ng isang Tikboy Del Rosario. So inaantay na lang natin si Cassandra with the best player. So again, thank you so much for watching, for supporting the Ako Bicol Camarines Norte. Of course, brought to you by Ako Bicol Party List at ni Congressman Saldico. Katabang na, kasurug pa. And of course, thank you din sa ating mga PNP na binantayan ng laro natin, sa mga utility, and of course, sa mayor ng Mambolao na si Honorable Ariel M. Non or Jose Panganiban na, and Honorable Casimero Padilla, the Vice Mayor, for allowing us to bring the game here in the very beautiful court of Jose Panganiban. And of course, napaka-pogi kong partner na si Coach Paul Sepe. Maraming salamat, Coach Paul, for this opportunity and for your insights during the game.
Okay, thank you also, partner. And me personally, thank Ako Bicol for giving us this opportunity, partner, para ma-impart din kung ano ang meron tayo when it comes to knowledge of basketball. Thank you very much sa Ako Bicol Cup. And also, thank Congressman Saldico for bringing this huge opportunity for all of us, for bringing a good tournament such as this, ako, Bicol Cup. So again, partner, maraming salamat. At see you next week.
See you next week,
Mga
indeed.
kasurog, so may mga games pa tayo next week. So right now, kasama na ni Cassandra ang ating kasurog player of the game. So Cassandra, take it away.
For our last game this afternoon, we have Jonathan Del Rosario, jersey number 16 from Team Santa Elena with 30 points, 9 rebounds, 9 assists, 6 steals, and 1 block as the Kasurog best player of the game. Wow, congratulations po for your team's win and for being the Kasurog player of the game. With that, ano po ba sa tingin mo ang naging contribution mo sa team and ano pa ba yung dapat naming abangan sa iyo at sa inyong team for your upcoming games?
Sa part ko, ginawa ko yung part ko bilang import, yung leadership sa loob ng court. On and off the court, kailangan kong mag-voice out sa kanila kasi alam ko yung mga teammate ko, mga bata pa, so kailangan kong ibus yung mga moral nila. Kasi pag nagkakamali sila, medyo bumababa yung moral nila. Kasi yun, kailangan ko lang i-motivate sila.
Ayan, we are currently live. Baka may gusto kang batiin o pasalamatan, go ahead. This is your chance.
Nagpapasalamat ako kay God sa panalong binigay niya sa amin. And sa mayor ng Santa Elena, mayor, maraming salamat po sa suporta sa amin. And sa mga teammates ko, salamat sa tiwala na binigay nila sa akin. Binabati ko pala yung wife ko, yung mga anak ko, kay Gianna, kay Atina, sa Team ABC. Hello.
Ayan, thank you very much and once again, congratulations. That's the end of the ball game. Thank you for supporting Ako Bicol Cup, Camarines Norte.